What
Yes,
up, Paul?
hi, this is Yael. How can I help you?
Hi, yes, this is the Internal Revenue Service. This is Roderick, badge number 794456. We're just giving you a call. We saw you had a callback request. How can I help you?
Oh, yes. So I had I'm waiting for my tax refund. I haven't received it yet, so I was just wondering what's going on.
Okay, let me check on that for you. Could I get your name?
Yes, my name is Yael Goldstein. So it's
Okay.
Yealgoldstein.
All right, thank you, Yael. Could I get your social security number and your date of birth?
Yeah, so it's 178221100. It's my social. My birthday is going to be August the 18th of 1954.
Okay. And so I can find your return. Can you let me know how did you file your return? Was it through the mail or did you file electronically?
Oh, I did it online. I did the electronic version.
Okay. And what did you file as status wise? Did you file for single, married filing separately, or jointly?
Oh, I filed single.
Okay. All right. And did you have any dependents on with filing?
No, no, I didn't have anyone as a dependent.
Okay. All right. And last question here. Can you give me your projected refund amount that the system generated for you?
So you're talking about the refund or my income? Which one are you asking about?
Your projected refund, how much you were going to get back.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. That was 2,680.
Okay, great. Let me go ahead and check on that, search for that return. Yes, I do see that here, AIL. I see your return is still being processed at the moment. So if you can allow some more time, it was filed, it looks like about 30 days ago. So if you could just please allow a little bit more time. Most of our refunds are issued within 60 days of filing, but if you could just allow 120 days before you contact us, as due to staffing issues and budget cuts, we are a bit behind on some of these returns, but we'll be processing them as soon as we can.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you for letting me know. I really appreciate it. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Sure thing. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that should be it. Thanks. Bye-bye.
All right. Thank you for calling the Internal Revenue Service. Have a great day.